Hidden in the northeastern corner of South America lies a land few have truly explored. A country where jungle, river, and sky collide in wild harmony. The jungle here is truly invincible. Fun fact, Guyana is home to over 800 species of birds, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. This is Guyana, and it's one of the last places on Earth where nature still rules. It's truly unbelievable. Fun fact, Guyana is one of the least explored countries in South America. Among its ancient forest and winding rivers live creatures that inspire both awe and fear, legends of the wild that have called this land home for centuries. These creatures are positively amazing. Fun fact, Guyana's forests are home to over 800 species of birds and 225 species of mammals, making it one of the most biodiverse regions in the world. The river hides a silent hunter, the black caiman, Guyana's largest reptile and one of the most powerful predators in the Amazon basin. Reaching lengths of over 16 feet, this ancient creature glides through the water almost without a sound. It hunts at night, ambushing capybaras, fish, and even other caimans. With jaws strong enough to crush bone and skin like dark armor, it is the undisputed king of the river. Truly jawsome. Fun fact, the black caiman plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem by controlling the population of its prey. In the deep forest, a ghost stalks the undergrowth. The jaguar, elusive, powerful, and sacred in indigenous mythology. Guyana is one of the last strongholds for this top predator. Unlike other big cats, jaguars love water and hunt with a devastating bite, strong enough to pierce the skull. Their sharp tongues help them scrape meat from bones. Jaguar's fur has unique, distinctive spots, like fingerprints. They are skilled climbers with long tails measuring 80 centimeters, which help with their balance. Their rarest power is most active at dawn and dusk. The jaguar is perfectly powerful. Fun fact, jaguars often use a unique hunting technique called crushing bite, where they bite directly through the skull of their prey for an instant kill. Not all giants here are fierce. Closely related to elephants, the Amazonian manatee glides peacefully beneath the surface of Guyana's rivers. Also called the sea cow, this gentle herbivore feeds on aquatic plants, sometimes for up to 8 hours a day. Despite their small brains, they are intelligent, excellent swimmers, and can perform various aquatic acrobatics, swimming vertically, upside down, barrel rolling, and even somersaulting. Manatees are shy and vulnerable, threatened by boat strikes and habitat loss. But here in protected waters, they endure, a quiet symbol of balance in the wild. Truly, they are fantastic creatures. Fun fact, Amazonian manatees can consume up to 10% of their body weight in vegetation daily, and they have been known to use their flippers to bring food to their mouths. Above the forest, a phantom flies. The harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful raptors in the world. With a wingspan up to 7 feet and talons the size of a grizzly bear's claw, it reigns supreme over the jungle canopy. This eagle silently glides across the forest like a stealth drone, hunting with explosive speed, preying on monkeys, sloth, large birds, and sometimes even adding deer or wild pigs to the menu. They do not need to eat every day. In fact, they can go a week or more without food. This apex predator nests in the tallest trees, a true giant of the sky. An excellent hunter indeed. Fun fact, harpy eagles often reuse the same nest for many years, adding new material each breeding season. In the shadowy wetlands, a legend slithers. The green anaconda, one of the world's heaviest snakes. Reaching up to 26 feet long and weighing around 500 kilograms. Rarely seen but always feared, it moves silently through rivers and marshes. It strikes with lightning speed, coiling around prey in a crushing embrace. Once locked in its grip, there is no escape. Despite its fearsome reputation, the anaconda is vital to the ecosystem, keeping population in check. And let's be honest, its hysterical presence is unforgettable. Fun fact, the green anaconda's strength is so immense it can even take down large prey like deer and caimans. And among the branches, a creature that seems frozen in time, the Hoatzin, nicknamed the stinkbird for its odd odor and even stranger behavior. This prehistoric bird has claws on its wings as a chick and digests leaves like a cow, using fermentation in its guts. It's awkward in flight, loud, and far from elegant, but it's a unique evolutionary relic, living proof that nature often favors the bizarre. Truly a feather-brained wonder. Fun fact, the Hoatzins' unique digestive system produces methane, making it one of the few birds that can be considered a ruminant. In Guyana's wild heart, the fierce, the gentle, the ancient, and strange live side by side. Each creature, a thread in the rich tapestry of this untouched land. Here, life unfolds as it always has, raw, beautiful, and untamed. Fun fact, Guyana is home to over 8,000 plant species and 1,600 animal species, with significant conservation efforts ensuring their protection. This is Guyana, and these are its wildly fascinating giants.